Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about this GCCN acrylic nail practice stand. We have the directions here on the back and I'm going to be telling you guys how to use it. So it does not come with clay or putty, so you can put the acrylic nails on here. You will have to buy that separately, but the stand itself is so nice, you guys. So get this, you're going to have all of these little one so you can put your nails on it, and they are magnetic, and this is the actual stand itself. As you can see, you have 5 magnets in here, so all you gotta do is pop them on just like this, and it makes it so much easier to just take one off and work on one nail individually and then pop it back in so it can dry perfectly. You guys, I really love this. It is so useful and truly something you should invest in. I got 2, of course, so I can have a left and right hand, which makes it so much easier to work in 2 at the same time. So check this out. This is how it comes in the packaging. You're gonna have to pop out all these little ones, and then of course you have the stand just like this, and they are magnetic. Once again, all you gotta do is pop them on, and it is so easy to set up, and you can have it ready to go in a minute or so just like this. And now I can do my left and right hand in acrylics. Really truly invest in this if you like doing nail art. All you're gonna have to do is get clay or putty so you can actually stick the nails on there, but the stand itself is so sturdy and nice, and I think you guys are gonna love it as much as I did.